Alright, so my hair isn't looking great right now, but you know, I just got out of the shower or whatever. I don't need to explain that story. But today I wanted to discuss this website I've noticed that so many YouTubers have been promoting. It's called mysterybrand.net. And like Hypebeast YouTubers and all these other YouTubers have been opening different kinds of boxes for a sponsorship, and obviously the website's doing it and making accounts for them. And today I wanted to discuss why I personally feel like this site isn't legit. I've noticed it and I'm just like, I don't know about this one. Like, it seems like a scam. Like, I was already a bit sketched out by the like setup of the site. It's not much different than any of these other mystery box sites. I'm noticing that this is a straight scam. And I'm gonna explain how it is, but if you get where I'm going off, you may get the same idea that I'm getting here. So the one thing that really caught my attention at first, I was actually looking at this, I was like, wow, this is cool. I was actually maybe considering buying something from it because I watched a YouTuber that was printing it. Again, these YouTubers are getting like super good things from these boxes, like spending $500, maybe, I don't know if it's provided by the company, but I think they're spending like $500. I believe it's probably sponsorship money there for the $500, and they're spending it and getting like these crazy items that are worth like over 1K. Like, I'll put a clip of someone getting something crazy right here with the $500 thing. Like, I'll put an example of maybe a few YouTubers, because I've noticed this trend of YouTubers getting super good items.
Love you forever, guys. If I get anything that's authentic Supreme, I should be good. We're gonna open this up. We're gonna. No! Okay, Nick. I'll close my eyes.
What is this?
What did I get?
A lighter.
A lighter. Oh! $29.99, here we go. I'm gonna look at it this time. Well, no, you guys are gonna look at it. Whoa. My camera died in the middle of this. But look what I won. I'm still screen recording. I just won Nike Air Force 1 Mid NBA.
For the Nike. Wow. Nike Air Jordans Retro White. Yo guys, let's gamble, let's get more P. Yo, I'm selling that. Okay, so I've sold that. Air trainers, Nike Jordans, as you go men.
But then, from the YouTubers getting super good items, I then noticed people, like, here's this comment, and this guy said he spent $300 and got Chuck Taylors. So, are Chuck Taylors worth $300? I don't think so. And that was what immediately got me sketchy about the site. Okay, so I actually wanted to add this in. I'm not on a tripod or anything, just my camera right here, but I wanted to discuss this. I was looking through the comments of these other videos, and this guy had this crazy story on this, and I'm not trying to like make this clickbait, but it's actually pretty crazy. It's basically proving that the site is fraud, and I'm about to discuss that. But this first example is not the example, but this is another thing supporting me. I said he spent $250 on the site buying the popular boxes on that. My hair is messed up right now, but he said he spent $250 on all the popular boxes and things like that, and got fidget spinners and balls. That's legitimately nothing. That's just not worth it. And you know, that's the proof towards, oh, it has to be a sponsored video to get something. Well, that's actually semi-true. The YouTubers do get a lot of, are the ones that usually only get the good things, but some other people have actually gotten some good. This guy said he tried the $14 box, the $15 $14.99 box, and got an Apple TV 4K. So if you think about it, Apple TV 4K is worth a lot of money. That's worth a lot of money. That's a really good come up. So this guy was happy, he started to order it, and the status for the prize changed to confirmation is what he says, and the order will be confirmed by the delivery partner within 24 hours. And after 48 hours, he contacted support to ask what the delay on the order was, what the delay is, why his order hasn't shipped. And they responded, the support of mysterybrand.net, I believe, it said, sorry, your order's been processing, large number of orders, they're temporarily small delays, things like that. So they're saying they have small delays. In reality, they actually don't, and I'm about to explain why. So he went on with his day, make sure order status, it changed to in works that same day. So that means the parcel, I don't know what to call it, has collected in the delivery department. So, you know, he got the order and he checked the status for 10 days. The same status remained for 10 days of saying it's in the works. And he mailed the support and got an answer the day after. What he got is, they said, here, I'm gonna pop it up. Hello, we will check your order. They just said send a picture of your profile ID so you can find it in your profile. Best regards. He sent over a profile ID and got a reply. Your Apple TV is preparing to ship. Your order status will change in a couple days. So that's the exact same thing they basically got before. And now he says it's been 12 days ago and it still says it's in the works, and the support doesn't even answer him anymore when he asks a question. So he tested a cheap case to see if he'd get anything else, and he's got some fake Red Supreme stickers. So mystery brand on that. I'm gonna let my camera focus, but if you don't realize that's fraud. To say someone has won an Apple TV 4K and not ship it, that's fraud. And not replying anymore, that's bad. from what I can as me with a personal view, from what I can see from my perspective, you're scamming people. Just thought I'd add that in as more proof on why not to buy from the site. That's just what I'm saying. I'm not trying to destroy their reputation, but I'm just saying they're selling fakes and not shipping products that they promise. So that's pretty bad. And then also, I'll go back to the $60 Supreme LV Easy Box. They're not selling Supreme LV for 60 bucks, all right? They're selling fakes on it. So they're actually replicas, unauthorized versions that they're selling on the site. And people, I don't notice that it says easy, and I don't think people realize, and even some YouTubers who I believe, like, they were like, wow, this is so cheap, I'm getting these Supreme LV, and some YouTubers even thought it was legit. It's not. They're selling reps here. It's not real. And I know that y'all probably like, oh, where's your proof for that? Guys, none of the Supreme LV collection goes for $60. Just think about that. And I guess if you want a bit of proof that there's the stuff in the box fake, look at this Supreme Money Gun. It says Super Gun on the side of it. The actual Supreme Money Gun, I'll put it on the screen, does not say Super Gun next to it. It says Supreme, it does not say Super Gun. Yeah, it's fake. Some of the products they have here weren't even like released. Like, they didn't make some of these things. So aside from them rigging it for YouTubers, I would say fairly clearly, I'm gonna say that's alleged, because, you know, it just could be that they put in more money and they get lucky. And that's true. If you put in more money, you'll probably have a better chance of getting something nicer. So I'm not saying that part is a scam yet, but the fact that they're selling rep Supreme Louis Vuitton is a bit of a scam, especially since a lot of people will probably think it's legit. They'll get it in the mail and be like, oh, this is completely fake. But I guess enough proof should be that this site is selling fakes. Not good. These YouTubers, these hypebeast YouTubers, are promoting sites, this site in particular, that sells fake products. So you're basically selling your viewers fake products. That's really bad in your reputation. So I do not recommend this site, and I've proven that there is fake. So, if you're a YouTuber promoting this, no problem to you. I'm saying also there's another thing of proof I want to mention is the fact that they rig it and then unrig it for YouTubers, and I have proof of this. So basically, there was this comment thread with a YouTuber and someone else discussing Ari Petru. I don't know how to say his name. I do know he is, though. I've met him in person. Chill. But aside from that, he basically won a lot of crazy stuff in this, and he said, yeah, like, it's super worth it. And like in the video, he made it seem super good. But then he was using the same account and spent $500 offline the video. Like, he wasn't making a video for it, he was just at a live stream, it wasn't sponsored, and since it wasn't sponsored, he spent $500 and he got nothing, apparently, according to his word. He got nothing. So if that isn't like sketch enough already, like, they're just rigging and unrigging things, and then they're selling fakes, clear fakes, and they're saying it's Supreme. It's not Supreme, it's some other offshore, just, it's not made in New York. It's not made anywhere near Supreme. It's fake. And just, I have to go back to this. It sketches me out so much that the fact that YouTubers are the only ones getting these good items, apparently. I'm not saying that's a fact. I'm just saying I look at all the titles and thumbnails, and it's like, I spent $300 and got $2,000 sneakers. Great, okay, it's sponsored, that makes sense. But the second it's unsponsored, you lose $300 actually. You get $300 for some Chuck Taylors, you know what I mean? Type thing, you get it? It's not worth it. The site is unlegit. They're rigging things to make themselves seem better. I'm not saying that's like, you know, that I feel like the typical big business practice, but for like a site that I would technically consider online gambling at this point, because you're not going to get anything good, just don't do it. I mean, gambling isn't good in my opinion unless you really know how to do it, and for this site, it's rigged. It's rigged gambling online, and it's a mystery in what you're going to get. So it's basically rigged gambling. So good luck getting anything. Oh, also, checked out another one of the Supreme boxes called Supreme Easy. Selling fake boxes with stickers too. So fake stickers, nice. It's just fakes on fakes. It does say Supreme Easy, and Easy I think means replica, so fair to them. They're at least showing some of it, but you're probably gonna get the stickers if you do it. I'm just gonna say you're gonna spend the $50 that it costs, whatever it is, and probably get something that is I mean, it's gonna be fake. The chance of you getting an authentic item out of this box, pretty rare. Like, the boss cost is $50. There's no way they're giving the Supreme Fender Stratocaster guitar for 50 bucks. It just, no. Anyways, if y'all did enjoy this discussion video, it's not really an exposing video. I feel like it's more be aware, alright? If you want to go proceed in the site and try and get these items that I would say you most likely don't have a chance of getting, then go for it. That's your bet. But for me, I'm gonna keep my money. $300 from Chuck Taylors is not it. She called me, said no, that's not how it works. And be on the lookout for the fakes that they are showing. They're selling fakes, as I've proven they are selling some fake items. And yeah, just watch over the site in my opinion. But if you're new, subscribe below, drop a like, comment below what you think, because I want to hear your all's opinions. If you've gotten anything lucky before, let me know, send me some proof, that'd be dope. And yeah, mysterybox.net, owner, rep, whatever, if you watch this, I'm not like exposing you, all right? I'm just saying, maybe don't do the fakes, or maybe even like specify it, because Supreme Easy doesn't make it look like a rep. I personally think it makes it look like, oh, it's easier to get and it's for the lower price. That's what I've even seen some YouTubers interpret it as, is it looks like Easy Supreme for $50, which just isn't it. Maybe make it a bit more honest for YouTubers too, so customers actually get a good view of what they would get. So just some advice, appreciate y'all. Most of it's alleged. Yeah, peace.